Hello my YouTube friend, this is Non-Mechanic here, and today I'm working on my 1997 Hyundai Accent, and I will be installing the front bumper. This is an aftermarket bumper right here. And before I start, I just want to show you some things here. I have this little wire here because I couldn't find this part right here, this little part right here. Now I went to Napa and they showed me almost something similar, but this is too small. I went to AutoZone. This one is too small, so I couldn't find the original one. So I'm just going to be tying one side with this right here. You'll see what I'm talking about. Also, I couldn't find these long screws right here, these plastics retainers. So I have some little ones here. So let's get going. Now, you have the bumper here. And we have these clips right here that the bumper is going to hold on to. We have holes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then over here, these two in the bottom right here, the plastic. I'm showing you right now because I don't think I'm going to be able to show it to you once I'm putting them in. So these two right here, it's going to go down here in this metal bracket right here. You see there's a hole here. Let me see if I can show you one hole here and another hole over here. So I don't think I'm going to be able to show you that. Now this metal piece right here, 1, 2, is for these right here. I'm going to try to do my best to show you. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to carry the bumper over. And we're going to be putting the bumper right in here. See? 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 I showed you. Then we have these clips right here, that's where the bumper is going to go at. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put 4 retainers here to hold the bumper. And I'm going to use 2 of the old ones because they're long, and 2 little ones, the new ones I got. So what I'm going to do is take the old one, I'm going to put it right in through the hole. Take one of the new ones, put it in here, push it in. Take another one of the new ones, put it in this corner. The other hole is at. There you go. Take the other long one, old one, put it in here. It's looking good so far, right there. Now what are we gonna do is this. Take where the bumper is at right here, this thing. See this? It's gonna go right in here. I'm gonna put there. Some retainers in here. She's holding it. Retainers. Goes the other one. Just gonna have to just move it a little bit. Okay. So you see we put the plastic right in through here. It's a little off here, but let's see when we put it up there. Okay, so now we put all the retainers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It looks like it's a little off over here, but I'm gonna see once I put this over here. So what next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna put it in here. Let me put it in a tripod and see, so you can see what I'm doing. So while I'm putting the side on, these clips right here, these little clips, got 2 of them. It's gonna go in the hole in there, and I'm gonna put these retainers here just to hold the side. No. Thank you for helping me. You are the best.
Why is it not going in?
I don't know, Mama. We'll get it in at the moment. Okay, it's alright. Okay, so I'm gonna finish putting that back in there, and I'll be right back. Okay, my friend, for this right here, you should use a shorter nut for this. Excuse me, bowl. It was a little too long for it, so it took me a while to put it in there. But once you put it in, you're okay. And when I put one of these in there to hold the bumper a little tighter. Then this clip right here, the one that I couldn't find, this one goes right in here. I'm going to show you right now. It goes right under here. It goes in the bumper right in here. So all it does is clips in and clips in the bumper. That's the one I couldn't find. Clips in right in there. Then you put this, you put the bumper, this right here under it, and you're gonna put this bowl right in there. Use the Phillip. I'm gonna screw it in. That's the piece I couldn't find for the other side. So that's the piece I'm missing right there that I couldn't find, so I'm just gonna put that plastic piece on the other side until I get one for now. That's it. Okay. Woo. How is it looking? Look at that. Okay. Gonna put the same retainers, these same things on this side. Same spot. The holes go where they go. All right. So we're sure.
You okay?
Yes, maybe I'm okay. So you do it by hand first. Mama, let me have that 10mm wrench over there. It should be on the floor somewhere. Look in this side. No, over here. In that side. Anything? Yeah, is it there? Thank you. You do it by hand first.
Well,
It's okay. Then what you want to do is just use your 10mm wrench. Okay, let's put it in there. Now in this side over here, I'm gonna have to use this because I couldn't find that clip that I showed you. Like I said before, I went to Napa. These things don't fit at all, too small. I went to AutoZone. Also, these plastic things are too small. So I'm gonna use this wire on the other side. So what you're gonna do is this, because we don't have it, we're gonna take it. Just to hold it for now until I get one. And we're just gonna, this is just for now, until I get one. I want to finish the car because I want to get it inspected. So I'm gonna cut this right here. There you go. All right, let's go around. We almost finished. So we have that one there. So now we're gonna put the ones in the bottom. Remember the ones I told you that I was gonna put in the bottom? In the two spots.
Be careful with the green card.
Put this one here.
Hello? Yeah.
So let me show you what I did, my friends.
Oh.
The plastic one, I put one right in here. Remember in the beginning I told you? I put one retainer right there, you see? One. And I put another one right there, that's two. So here you go, my friends. There goes the finished project. It was a little puzzle for me because I've never done it before. So this is how many retainers I put in here. One, I have to get a bigger one for this. Two, then the plastic from the bumper goes in here to hold it. Then you got another retainer here, another one there, another one there, another one over here. That same plastic piece that went in with the retainer. This one I need a bigger one, so I'll be getting a bigger retainer. Then what I did was, I took this, I put this in here to hold it in, and next time I get a smaller 10 millimeter nut, bowl in here. This one was a little too large, but I made it work. Then what you do is this, that clip that I showed you that goes up here with the screw that goes right in there. Then I came over here, did the same thing over here. You see it? Over here, make sure that the little clips went in the hole. And then I used the plastic to hold that because I couldn't find that little plastic piece that I need, but I will hold it down for now. Then what I did was, I took the two on the bottom. The two on the bottom that I showed you. One, and then two, and then the two in the that I can show you, the metal bracket that I showed you earlier. So here you go, my friends. So this is how you install. Huh? You want to buy? You want to buy? Okay, I'll talk to you. So this is how you install a bumper on a 1997 Hyundai Accent. And you see it was pretty easy. Then at the same time it was a little difficult because I've never done it before. But here you go. And it's holding. Look. It's holding tight. There you go. So now all I have to do is put my lights on. And I should be finished. So tell me what you think, my friends. Okay? And like I always say, if I can do it, if non-mechanic can do it, you can do it. I was looking over here. Something goes here, like a little rail or something. Because I see some holes in the other side. So I'm going to see what goes there. And I'm going to put them in. Huh?
Non-mechanic 101.
You hear my daughter. So here you go, my friends. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments or questions, post them down below. Or contact me at nowmechanic101 at yahoo.com. That is nowmechanic101 yahoo.com.